Okay, so reset engine oil life minder. That's what you want to do. First thing you do is turn the ignition to the second position without starting the engine. Ensure that the dashboard is at the oil minder. You can, if you have to press the button to take it to that, the select button to take it to that point. Once it's there, you put your hand on the select reset button. You press it and hold on to it. Keep your hand on it until everything on the dash starts blinking. That is around as the oil indicator and the percentage start blinking. Once that happens, yes, it's blinking now, you release the button, then you press again and hold on to it. Keep pressing it until it stops. So as it had stopped now, it has gone back to 100%. So let's, as you can see, reset to 100.